at the barrier, Gosford. Barrier bound here, Gosford, at the start for the last. 1 minute away. At the gates for the final race today. And waiting on the starting signal, shouldn't be too far away. Gosford here at the entertainment grounds. Gosford Race Club 8 event card here today. First meeting back for a while. Track's played fairly well. And we're 90 seconds off a start. So the favourite is Crepe, Myrtle. Ran second to Lyles last time out. Was digging in for the fight over the 1,000 metres. He goes to the 1,100 metres today. And he looks mighty hard to beat. Still Alice at $6. Then it's double figures the rest. Gold card 12. Okay. Coming up. Gold card coming up. Still Alice about to move in. Gog Magog and Boomtown Chat, Wealthy Investor. Sunday Tycoon, My Alibi and Crepe Myrtle, the $1.45 favourite. Last of 8 here today. So here's Sunday Tycoon. Boomtown Chat about to get ready. My Alibi and Wealthy Investor. So we're ticking down to start time here. Moving up, Boomtown Chat coming in. Here's Crepe Myrtle about to get set. Second up today. And Wealthy Investor will be one of the last ones to get set. So Crepe Myrtle for Zac Lloyd. Coming forward is Wealthy Investor. Going forward for the last here. So we thank everyone for their company across the Sky Racing Network. Last race of the day. Crepe Myrtle is the favourite. 1,100 metres the journey. Right for a break now. Steady. Racing. Crepe Myrtle began well with Boomtown Chat. Sunday Tycoon well away with Gog Magog. Still Alice not too far off the speeder. Then Bold Design, Gold Card now drifting back to third last. They were followed by My Alibi, and the last one is Wealthy Investor. So Gog Magog drove through and led. So Crepe Myrtle's out 3 and 4 deep here. Boomtown Chat's up running second. Sunday Tycoon's there as well. Still Alice and Bold Design booting through along the rail. 4 lengths Gold Card, My Alibi and Wealthy Investor along last up towards the turn. It's Gog Magog, the pilot from Boomtown Chat. Crepe Myrtle's had no luck. It's out 3 wider. And then came Sunday Tycoon, My Alibi, followed by Still Alice, who's under pressure at the turner. Gog Magog turned in first, led from Boomtown Chat. Crepe Myrtle letting down on the outsider. Then came Sunday Tycoon. Crepe Myrtle the leader, 120 to go. Sunday Tycoon is trying hard on the outside. Crepe Myrtle in front. Sunday Tycoon won't get it, and Crepe Myrtle, despite being wide, the trip's still too good. Beat Sunday Tycoon, My Alibi, Gold Card. Then Gog Magog, followed in by Wealthy Investor. Then Still Alice was disappointing today. Boomtown Chat was next, and Bold Designed last. It's a promising mare, this Crepe Myrtle. She wins. And two wins in the last few starts for her. She's only had the 5 race starts. And Zac Lloyd didn't seem too worried when he was prouted out 3 and 4 deep along the side. He just sat comfortably and just kept it in its rhythm, Crepe Myrtle, and it's been too good. And he didn't really even give it much up the straight either. So 3, 7, 12, 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. 3, 7, 12 and
It's an open race. 7 Troika, the $3.80 favourite. He's racing well and suited to this type of race. This is a very achievable aim for him, Troika, so he'll run well, and he's solid in the betting. I like 8 Ralphie at $4.80. You've got to catch him on his day, but I think it's the good setup for him today. A lot of speed. He just sits back and idles at the back.